The previous lecture was the introduction to the course. In this lecture, I will explain you what you are going to see in each section. Here is the complete overview of the course. This course consists of 3 sections. Let's get started. In the section 1, I will explain you the basics of Google Adsense. Here I have explained you about making money online, and also I have explained you about what is Google Adsense. In the section 2, I have explained you the effective blueprint to earn money through online using Google Adsense. This is actually a 11-step process, and I will be explaining everything in a step-by-step manner in this lecture, and also I will be practically explaining about how to create your own website. Then I explained you how to sign up for your Google AdSense account. I will provide you the ways to enhance the traffic in your site to earn more money. And also I explained you the rules to get succeed in your business. In the final section, I have explained you about software and its interfaces. This section is the most important part and core part of our course. I have particularly explained all the interfaces of the software in this section lively. I will also provide you the details about how to get the software in this section. Now I am sure that you are very clear with the overview of the course. You can use the discussion board if you have any queries in any of the section. I will be replying you within 24 to 48 hours. Let's get into the course.